Hello there, and welcome to this short video about family law in Ireland, brought to you by Terry Gorry of Terry Gorry and Company Solicitors. Our website, as you can see on the screen there, is businessandlegal.ie. Family law in Ireland is a very, very wide area of law. There are a huge sort of number of subsections and so on, which would fall under the umbrella of the description of family law. For example, the Family Law Legal Aid Scheme. There are two schemes in operation, one for the District Court, one for the Circuit Court. Family law would also cover things like separation agreements, drawing up a mutually agreed agreement between yourself and your former partner or spouse. In addition to a deed of separation, there is also the route of a judicial separation, which is a slightly different procedure than having a separation agreement drafted between yourself and your spouse. So you would want to be aware of the difference, and your solicitor will advise you, because there is a significant difference between having a separation agreement and instituting legal judicial separation proceedings. Another very, very intense and busy area of family law is the whole question of divorce. And there are various grounds for divorce and various criteria which you need to maintain, or which you need to fulfill rather. Maintenance then, when you fall out or split up from your former partner, whether your partner was a spouse or a non-marital partner, the question of maintenance for dependent children of that relationship will also arise, and this can be dealt with in the District Court. Other areas of family law include childcare law and the protection of children, the whole question of domestic violence, barring orders, protection orders, interim barring orders. Then there is the difference afforded to non-marital families, particularly the fathers in non-marital relationships or non-marital families. The question of guardianship, access and custody are also areas which are well canvassed in the District Court, and are areas of significant importance to you if there are children involved, regardless of whether you've been married or not married to your former partner. Then there's also other issues like the Family Mediation service, which provides a very good and free service for people who have experienced a breakdown in their relationship. This is run by the state, so it's something that you should check out and take a look at before you go any further in terms of separation or judicial separation or divorce. Then there's the whole question of foreign divorces in Ireland. Are they recognised, whether it's an EU divorce or a US divorce, for example? How are they recognised here, and what are the ramifications for children of those failed marriages? Then the special place that the family home has in Ireland, in Irish law, and that's recognised by the courts, is a very, very significant factor when there is a breakdown in the relationship. And of course, before resorting to judicial or legal proceedings in relation to the breakdown of your relationship, you are always well advised to engage in mediation and reconciliation first. Most of these topics we cover on our website at businessandlegal.ie, and if you have any question, you can call me, Terry, on the numbers that you see on the screen there, or you can email me with that email address that you can see on the screen. And as I say, you can learn more about all of these issues at our website, businessandlegal.ie. Thank you for watching.